Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony CMT-SBT40D Stereo home audio system and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this thing, not connecting, not pairing with Bluetooth, things like that, or if you're getting sound issues out of it, a lot of these things where it's not working right can be fixed with a hard reset. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you just want to remove all the settings and configurations that you've got on it and just get it back to the way it was when it's coming out of the box. We can do that really easily on this stereo system. So all we need to do is it needs to be on for this to work. So it won't work if it's not on, so go ahead and turn it on if you haven't turned it on. And then you're just going to come in and press the function over here and the eject buttons. Press and hold those two buttons. And just keep holding them until on the display it pops up and it says reset. Once it says reset, you can let go, let it do its thing, and then you can go ahead and set the stereo up as a new device.